got the hot knife out. It's got lots of line out.
Oh, just making little bits and pieces.
Little bits and pieces.
Yeah. Just making a towing bridle for the dinghy. A bit safer one until we get to the States and we can buy all the pieces.
Okay. What a difference a day makes. Just about to head off. Nobody left here. They've all gone home. And it's Christmas Eve, 2018. Good morning, Mr. Erickson.
Good morning.
Can you tell us a story?
We are leaving here this morning. This is Playa Balanadra. 3 boats in here last night. Another one, new one turned up in the corner there. And heading for La Paz for the big smoke for Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, 2018. So we're going to head into La Paz, go out for dinner, FaceTime with all the kids, and yeah, all that sort of stuff. So looking forward to being in a big city. Not. So anyway, what's got to be done, it's got to be done, because we've got to fly out in a few days, and it's the only place we can fly from to renew our visas. So yeah, catch you later.
Magnus is trying a new lure, different type. We haven't had much success on the starboard fishing line.
No.
What's the difference between that one and the one you had before?
Different colour.
And that one doesn't have a skirt?
Oh no, completely different lure. This is a diving lure.
Alright.
The other one's just a standard trolling skirted lure.
Care to show us the lure, darling?
Bad boy.
Looks like a...
I caught a fish, I was just letting it out, and something, I don't know, little, hooked up straight away. Try again.
Another fish on the line. That's the third one in about 2 minutes with this new lure. Definitely a good lure. Can you tell what it is? Got a ferry coming up our backside. It's going to be on us in 4 minutes. What do you get?
Little skipjack.
Alright.
He's not... Yeah, he's going to go back.
He's going to live another day.
Go back to his mum.
Okay. There's a lot of traffic here. Everywhere. You got another one? What is that one?
A little skipjack. Good breakfast size.
Yeah, but going back. So what just happened, darling? It was a bit of a moment.
I was just talking on the radio, and then someone said, "Is that Magnus and Wendy?" And I said, "Yeah." And it was someone in La Paz here, where we're going into. We're about a couple of hours out of La Paz, who recognised my voice, and nutters. They watch the channel, so we're going to catch up and have a beer a bit later on. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah. Otherwise, that's all I got to say about that. Looking forward to it.
So it's been a really busy time after the net, hasn't it? It's just a busy place, this La Paz.
It's a very busy place.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. A little marina over there. Some very expensive boats in that one. We just left the boat and came into the dock and had a little walk through town looking for a beer, and we found this lovely place, so we thought we'd have some lunch because we haven't had lunch, and today is Christmas Eve, which is a gorging day, so we can eat 2 meals. So yeah, I'll show you. Love the Christmas tree because it has a sombrero. So the menu here is amazing. We ordered main courses and they just bought all of this. I think this is the best so far.
Wow.
Food food's just arrived. It looks
Most
spectacular.
incredible fish tacos I've seen in my life.
Look at those tacos.
We were just sitting down having our Christmas dinner, and we could feel the boat sort of nudging or bumping. I thought, I've just brought the dinghy alongside, so I thought the dinghy, feel it went?
Mm.
Yeah, I thought the dinghy might be just touching the side of the boat, but then I thought, no. The tide's just changed, the wind swung around, and we're anchored right next to the shallow section in the channel here. And we just touched the bottom, because I went and had a look at the depth. 1.3 metres under the transducer, and the transducer is 1.3 metres from the bottom. I've just gone and had a look at the tide tables, and we are here at a minus 0.2 tide. So it's a pretty low tide. So, but it's rising. So we're just gonna. It's a real weird feeling, isn't it? So we hit the bottom. First time we've actually hit the bottom, but we're at anchor. So, but the old nutty, she's made for it. She doesn't mind bouncing off the bottom a little bit. It's a weird feeling though, juddering. So, there we go. So, in another hour we'll have 0.2 under the keel, so we'll be fine. But yeah, it's a weird sensation hitting the bottom. Our first time. Oh, there it goes again. So there you go. I just thought I'd update you on that one. Pretty foolish, and not very adult-like and responsible, but it's good fun. It's something different, bit of adventure up the anchorage in La Paz. Catch you later. Ever since I went to America the first time, I've wanted to try a Carl's Jr. burger. And since we're now, well, this might as well be America, in La Paz, Mexico, we're going to have one. So, hope it'll be good. Chips are alright. I've got the guacamole burger, and Wendy's got the jalapeno burger.
Looks good actually. The actual burger looks good.
So, we've done Carl's Jr. It was really good.
Really surprisingly good.
Really surprising. I'd say go as far as to say the best box shop type burger I've had in North America. It was really good.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're off to do a bit of get some fruit and veggies, and then go and have a look at a life raft the guy's selling, second handy. So if the life raft looks good, we might get it.
Yeah.
Who knows? Anyway, catch you later.
Ciao. We've come into Sam's Club. We've never been into a Sam's Club, and we're wondering whether it's worth getting a ticket or a card. This might be a good reason to get a card. Look at this. A bit excited.
William Lawson, 189.
I found peanuts. I haven't had peanuts forever. Look at this packaging of apples. Look at the size of this cheese. That's 10 kilos. We're about to head into the Marina La Paz, because we're going to fly up to the US in a couple of days to renew our visas. So we're just going to put Natural in there so she's safe until we get back. What's going on, babe?
We are relocating from the anchorage into the marina. We're going to leave the boat for a few days while we go renew our visas.
sea shepherds over there. That's the same sea shepherd that we went onto in Marina Chapels.
Yep.
This is Marina de la Paz, over stage 13.
13. Marina de la Paz, this is Nutshell. You copy?
Yes?
Yes, we're booked into a slip 218 today, and we're just coming in. We're just outside at the moment.
Okay, it's on stop on there right now.
We'll be there in about 5 minutes. Thank you very much.
Welcome back, project.
Safely in. The guys came down, did a couple of the mooring lines, tied them off. Here we go, we're in Marina again. Very nice. Look, really close to the little cafe. And hopefully the showers. It's beautiful here. What's happening?
We're going to pick up a new little toy.
Okay, on the dinghy though.
A long trip, we're doing about a 4 or 5 mile trip on the dinghy.
So we're really testing it out.
Yeah.
Oh, you've moved the seat.
Yep, for you.
Thank you. We're off on an outing.
Yeah, big long trip on the dinghy.
We're flying! About a third of the way. Nearly there. Made it. We lost a pin and the wheel fell down, but we made it. We're at the marina and then we've got to make it all the way back. There's a few pelicans on that little jetty there. There it is. New toy.
You sure you don't want to pedal back?
Oh, I could do, I suppose. Woo! We made it, we're back. So,
That's a fair way.
we've got a kayak.
Yeah, that was a fair way, that. We were just walking along the Malecon here in, where are we? La Paz. And Wendy said, take 4 steps backwards. And I did, and we found somewhere that has real beer. So, this place is called, I'll get back here. Wendy's ordered a, what have you ordered? A porter. I've got an IPA, so we'll check it out.
Pretty cool place. Looks like beer. I think yours is an explosion. I got a porter. It's very cold.
What's it on the colon of
Oh
it?
no, I don't know. It's cold. It's got like condensation on the glass, but it's got really, really lots of smell.
Does it smell like a porter or a stout?
It smells like stout. Oh, you ordered stout?
No, ordered IPA.
That's really very rich. Very rich.
Remember,
It's good. Reminds me of the London festival, beer festival.
any wheelbarrows or
No wheelbarrows, but it doesn't finish. So I give it about a 6. Cheers. It's not bad.
it's not bad.
It's not bad for Mexico. It's pretty good. Your turn.
So, before I try the IPA, because I'm just going to let it settle a tad, because you could put a hat and coat on it when you served it, I'm going to try Wendy's porter. It's stouty, but it's also got that depth of porter. The head, once the head's settled, small creamy bubbles. Colour's good. It's ice cold. It's like just above freezing. So I don't expect much flavour, but we're going to give it a crack. Wow! That just... You know when you have like a telethon or something and people give money for charities and they ring in and speak to famous people and all that sort of stuff, and sometimes they say that people just, what do they say? They say that people just keep giving. Well, that's what this beer's like, because it just keeps something new coming every few seconds. Like there's bubble gum and there's like, you know when you're emptying the fire in the narrowboat when it's on like a damp day and the fire's been cold for a while and you get to the bottom of the ash and you get that lumpy ash. That's the smell. If you could eat that, that's what I reckon that would taste like. So that's coming through. There's pineapple. Yeah, it just keeps on giving. Wow, you give this, first of all you'd say it's not bad. Second of all, you'd give this an 8 3/4. I think it's the first ever 8 3/4 we've given. That is sensational. Brewed right here in Mexico somewhere. Cheers. This beer, when he poured it, had quite a big head. So, and it's really cold. So I've let it sit for 10 minutes now. It's been hard to let a beer sit, but it's an IPA. I don't know what it's called, but we'll give it a go. It smells like, anyway. God, that's sweet. It's like, you know, when you accidentally mix up sugar and salt. You're just expecting salt, but you get sugar. That's what it's like. It's very, very sweet. And there's no hops in there. You can't distinguish any real flavours. So after that great beer of Wendy's, it's a bit of a disappointment. I'll give it another crack. Now it's just very, very, very sweet beer. Very sweet beer with nothing. So Wendy won on that. She got the good one. I got the different one. So it's not even going to get the usual comment. It's going to get about a 3 to 4. So next beer we have, I might have one of Wendy's. Cheers. Right, what do you reckon, Wayne?
Well, I thought after that I have to try Magnus's IPA. It smells reasonable. There's just not much going on in there. It's like orangeade.
It's not that good.
It's sort of like a cross between a cordial, and a fizzy drink. It doesn't. It's a little bit beery.
It's sweet.
But it's just a little bit different. But I don't know. I've never tasted anything like it, so I'd probably give that a 5, 4.5 maybe.